All right, a good morning, and in fact, a great morning to all of you. Those who have joined, I would like to appreciate your presence here. Thank you so much. And we're going to begin in 1 or 2 minutes more. We'll just wait for a few more people to join, and then we're going to begin. And I assure you, today's session is going to be quite enriching, it's going to be quite engaging. And I'm going to give my best to ensure that. If you are having a challenge of not controlling your negative thoughts, then you get over it today, or you at least come to know that what exactly you need to do, right? So those who have joined, you can just type something so that I know that people are already there, and that is going to give me a confirmation that we can begin in some time. Okay, hi Preeti. Preeti is there. Okay, hi Deepak. So good to see you. Okay. So you can grab a cup of coffee if you want, because we're going to wait for 1 or 2 minutes more so that maximum people can join and benefit, right? And also, if you want, you can chat with me. You can also ask me some question if you feel like I am all ready to answer and assist you. Okay, thank you, Preeti. I'm also looking forward to share, and trust me, this session we are going to make it interactive so we all can probably talk and be open to each other, and understand that it's not us only who go through things. Everybody in this world has some or the other challenge. But I think the best way to deal with any challenge is to become vulnerable, right? And tell people if you are facing any challenge, ask for help, and that is how we improve in our life, right? Okay. So I'm going to begin now, and it's going to probably a session. I don't know. I've not timed it, so I really don't know how long it's going to be. But let's see, at least 20-25 minutes. Okay. So those who don't know me, I'm Ghazal Luthra, Mindset Makeover Coach, and I have been working for 21 years now, and I help people to take quantum leap in their career. And I worked with eminent professionals and some certain great brands, and I have also helped them to unleash their hidden potential and give them the maximum benefit that they can. Yes, Deepak, you are right. Thank you so much. Okay, so today's session is all about how we can, control our negative thinking, right? So if you have seen, we cannot avoid, we cannot delete. I mean, just have to control, right? So my first question, if you would want to answer, is that is what do you think? Is negative thinking bad or good? What do you think? How is the negative thinking? Is it good or bad? Okay, so most of the people, they think negative thinking is bad, and in a way they are right also, because there is a saying that if you jump in the water, and if jumping in the water, and if you stay there and do nothing, that's the only time then that you will drown. If you start figuring out that how I can come out of this well, or wherever you have jumped in, then definitely it is not going to make you die. At least you know you will figure out, you will put your hands, and then you will ensure that you are out of it, right? Asking for help and all that stuff. Same thing is with our negative thinking also. Negative thinking is, yes Preeti, not good or bad, it's the same. Depends that whether you want to stay there or you want to come out, right? So it is always advisable that we come out, because anything of access is bad, we all know that, isn't it? Yes, Prakhar, it's natural, so it cannot be good or bad. Absolutely true, Prakhar. That's such a great understanding. So, first point, those people who are thinking that, oh my god, I'm not going to think negative, I'm not going to think negative, just leave it. Let it loose, right? सो यहाँ पे ना साउथ में एक वर्ड होता है, लाइक आई एम फ्रॉम हैदराबाद, सो यहाँ पे लोग बोलते हैं दैट लाइफ को ना लाइट रखने का. सो मेक इट एब्सोल्युटली लाइट. लाइट कर लो अपने आप को, दैट ओके दैट्स पार्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ. आई एम गोइंग टू थिंक नेगेटिव एट टाइम्स and probably you're going to enjoy it also. You will say I want to stay like this only, come what may ever, and that's absolutely fine, that's absolutely okay, right? But if you say that my day is going bad, then remember that bad day also lasts for only 24 hours. So make a plan to come out of it. Don't make a house there and settle. Come out of it, right? So first thing is that negative thinking is not bad, provided you have a control over it. Now when does it become bad? It becomes bad when it goes on overdrive. सपोज यू आर ड्राइविंग अ कार. अब आप सिटी में कार चला रहे हो और आप बोलो कि भाई मैं तो 5th गियर से नीचे आऊंगा ही नहीं, आई विल बी ऑलवेज ऑन अ ओवर ड्राइव. I am sure that we are prone to accident at that time, right? So sometimes when we go on overdrive and it is not necessary, that is the time when it becomes harmful, right? Okay, now my second question is to you is that why do you think we think negative? अब कोई ऐसा प्लान तो करके आता नहीं है कि यार आज ना मैं अपने दिन को टोटल खराब करूंगा या खराब कर दूंगी. वी डोंट से दैट, राइट? बट इट हैपेंस. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक, व्हाट कुड बी द रीजन कि हम नेगेटिव सोचते हैं? क्या हो सकता है? एनी आंसर्स? व्हाई डू यू थिंक नेगेटिव सोचते हैं और फिर उसी लूप में पड़ जाते हैं, और लगता है कि यार आज का पूरा दिन ही खराब हो गया, एंड सम पीपल से आज की शुरुआत ही बेकार थी, व्हाटएवर. So this is how we consider that, okay, negative thinking to I, but what triggers? Any idea what triggers negative thinking? Okay, so basically I would say there are two reasons. First reason of negative thinking is that we all are genetically programmed more towards fear. हमारा जो माइंड है, हमारा जो ब्रेन है, वो फियरफुल सिग्नल्स को बहुत आसानी से पकड़ लेता है और पॉजिटिव चीज़ों को इतनी आसानी से नहीं पकड़ता. इसीलिए हमें लाइफ में मोटिवेशन की ज़रूरत ज़्यादा पड़ती है. किसी को भी आपने नहीं देखा होगा कि उसको फियर डालता हूँ मैं, फियर अपने आप आ जाता है. What you need to do is you need to come out of the fear, right? So why? Because our brain and mind is genetically programmed, inclined towards thinking more fearful things. And this has been coming from thousands and thousands of years. ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ सालों में हमारा एवोल्यूशन हुआ है. केवमैन से लेके जब वो लोग केव्स में रहते थे, दैट इज द टाइम एंड दे ओनली हैड अ फियर टू सेव देयर लाइफ. सो एवरी टाइम दे वर वेरी अलर्ट कि कहीं they are not being taken by a wild animal or anything happens to them or any disease strikes them and they perish completely, right? So this is why first is it our mind is programmed. अब नंबर 2 रीजन मैं आपको ऑनेस्टली बताऊंगी, बिकॉज ऑल माई टॉक्स आर गोइंग टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गिव यू अ किताबी ज्ञान बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू डू दैट. सो द थिंग इज, सबसे दूसरा रीजन व्हाट यू थिंक अबाउट नेगेटिव रीजनिंग इज दैट व्हेन थिंग्स डोंट हैपन आवर वे. ऑलराइट, फॉर इंस्टेंस अभी तक तो हम खुश थे क्योंकि हमारी प्रमोशन हुई और हमें 10% हाइक मिल गया, बट द मोमेंट मैंने देखा कि इधर उधर के यार किसी को 15 मिला है, किसी को 25 मिला है, आई स्टार्ट थिंकिंग नेगेटिव, राइट? बिकॉज आई वॉज एक्सपेक्टिंग प्रोबेबली मोर. नाउ I am overweight probably for 6 kgs, but I am absolutely fine. But the moment I see here and there and I see absolutely fit body, I start getting negative, isn't it? So it is that whenever we don't get anything that we expect, हमारी जो एक्सपेक्टेशन से जब चीज़ें हमारे हिसाब से नहीं होती, रिलेशनशिप्स हमारे हिसाब से नहीं चल रहे, डीलिंग्स हमारे हिसाब से नहीं हो रही, मनी जनरेशन हमारे हिसाब से नहीं हो रहा, हेल्थ हमारे हिसाब से नहीं चल रही, घर में फैमिली हमारे हिसाब से नहीं चल रही, एंड व्हेन द एक्सपेक्टेशंस कम, दैट इज हाउ वी स्टार्ट फीलिंग नेगेटिव, सैड, बैड. And trust me, all these emotions are intertwined, they are interconnected, isn't it? हम इंटरकनेक्टेड ही तो हैं. जैसे ही नेगेटिव सोचते हैं हम सैड हो जाते हैं, एंग्शियस हो जाते हैं, और उसके बाद में हमारे एक्शंस भी बहुत ज़्यादा डाउन हो जाते हैं. So this reason is very very, I would say, real, when most of the people don't say that, you know, मैं तो ऐसा नहीं सोचता, but usually expectation की वजह से negative thinking हमारी बहुत ज़्यादा आ जाती है. Okay, and what Prakhar is saying, that overthinking, that's absolutely correct. So what I mentioned to you, that, you know, going on a overdrive and overthinking, overfeeding yourself. For instance, if you get a call in the evening by someone जिसके साथ आप ज़्यादा बात नहीं करते, इंस्टेंट आपका रिएक्शन होता है, अरे अब क्या हो गया, यू नो, यू डोंट थिंक दैट अरे वाह somebody has called me. If that person has called you at odd hours, you will always think that, oh my, कहीं कुछ गलत तो नहीं हो गया, you know. So we are always overthinking. So that is how I remember a small story. This is about a farmer, and that farmer was staying in a village. और क्या होता है कि उसके पास में ट्रैक्टर नहीं होता, and he wanted a tractor to probably carry his crops. So he goes and he talks to his neighbor, and his neighbor says that I also don't have a tractor, but then there is one person who stays little far, he has a tractor. So he asks his name and he says, okay, his name is Chhagan. You go to Chhagan and Chhagan will give you. So this guy says that, nahi, I've heard that this guy does not hold a good reputation. I mean, he does not help much and all. So the neighbor says, no, nothing like that. He's super helpful. You must go and ask him. Now this farmer is already in little doubt and skeptical whether Chhagan is going to help or not. But still, he goes there and he starts walking towards his farm. And on the way, some people ask, okay, hello, where are you going? And he says, I'm going to Chhagan to ask for tractor. And they say, okay, you can try whether he'll help or not. Yeah, he might not. So again, a little doubt comes. Now on his way, by the time he is walking, he's overthinking and analyzing and making images that maybe this guy is not going to help. Why is not going to help? Because maybe we are raising the same kind of crops, and maybe he's my competitor. Why would he want that I should also take my crops and sell it at good rate? Maybe he does not want me to have good income, and all those negative loops start. And the moment he goes to Chhagan's house and he knocks his door, Chhagan opens and he says that can I borrow your tractor for a day? And Chhagan says no. And the moment he says no, he gets so furious and angry that he catches his collar and he says, I always knew it, that you're never going to help me, and this is what everybody was talking about, and this is what I knew back in my mind, that this is what is going to happen. Now Chhagan was like, okay, relax, I cannot give you because my tractor is not working fine, it has gone for repair. When it comes tomorrow, I will share it with you, I will give it to you tomorrow. Today I can't give you. And when the farmer heard this, he felt so embarrassed because it was his overreaction. And overreaction came from the overthinking that he did. And this is how happens to everyone. Negative thinking is always and always overthinking, right? So can anybody tell me that what is the opposite of negative thinking? Negative thinking का opposite क्या होता है? Anybody wants to talk about? Alright. So usually people say negative thinking opposite is positive thinking, which is absolutely right. But when we talk about controlling our negative thinking, the opposite of negative thinking is not positive thinking. It is something else that you must understand if you want to overcome the negative thinking. And that thing is disciplined thinking. If you want to overcome your negative thinking, you must learn to discipline your mind, the thinking that your mind does. It's like if you let loose a dog and ask him to run anywhere, he's going to run. But if you train your dog in a way that whether you put a leash on the dog or not, but he's going to walk with you, whether he's in the park, he's in a big garden, he's on a mountain, wherever, but he's been now trained to walk with you with or without leash. This is what disciplined thinking is all about, right? So once you start learning to discipline your thinking, negative thinking will not stay for very long in your life, right? So this is one thing. Now if you want to start doing disciplined thinking, what can we do, right? And this is going to eliminate your negative thinking. So we're going to talk about thinking in a way that is going to create better results, better life for all of us. Okay, how many of you here would agree to me that this world does not work in a random manner? Okay, so जैसे किसी कंट्री को चलाने के लिए भी एक सरकार की ज़रूरत होती है, सेम वे डू यू थिंक इवन दिस वर्ल्ड द एंटायर यूनिवर्स ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्स some kind of, I would say, system, some kind of process, isn't it? Or some kind of laws, principles that are going to govern each and every person's action. If we believe in God, now God cannot be present everywhere to check, okay, what am I doing, what am I thinking? So God ने भी क्या किया, अपनी life को easy बना दिया, and God has also built some systems, processes and laws, regulations, whatever you call, and that is how it has created a very nice and clear framework, and it says that if you work within this framework, your life is going to be so and so. If you go out of this framework, your life is going to be so and so, right? So those people who have understood the framework in life, they have been the people who have been living very, very comfortably and happily. You know why? Because they are abiding by the law. Okay, and law is something that never fails. Okay, ऐसा तो कभी नहीं हुआ ना कि आप एक जगह से दूसरी जगह गए और आपने बोला अरे यार आज यहाँ पे ना लॉ ऑफ ग्रेविटी नहीं दिख रहा. ऐसा नहीं होता है. इट्स एवरीवेयर, इट्स कंसिस्टेंट एवरीवेयर, राइट? So same way are the different laws that are everywhere present. There are different principles on which our mind operates, and they are working all time 24/7 for every single person in the same manner. Alright, so in my coming talks I'm going to talk about the laws also, but today I want to talk about a beautiful law. That law is directly related to your negative thinking, and if you try to implement this law in your life, then you are going to be very successful. Okay, mindset is important, we all know, but what I have learned from my journey is, if you want to strengthen your mindset, you must learn to club it with something else. Okay, so agar mindset is 2, and the second element that I'm talking about now with my experience is spirituality, right? Spirituality is knowing who you are, is also 2. Then what do you think it becomes? 4, right? But if you use them together, if you use your mindset, if you use your spirituality, then 2 plus 2 is no more 4, it is 22. Trust me, your life will change in such a great and such a I would say highly exponential manner that you will not even come to know that, oh my god, what happened to me, right? So this is the power, and I'm going to include an element of spirituality in all my talks, because this is something that I have been thinking, doing and imbibing in my own life. All right, so today the law that I'm going to talk about, which is directly related to our negative thinking, is called the law of relativity. I don't know how many of you have heard about it. Okay, so if I have to give you an explanation of law of relativity, मैं बहुत simple आपको language में समझाऊंगी. I don't want to get technical at all, right? So अगर hot होता है तो cold भी होता है, good है तो bad भी होता है, right? And if there is up, then there is down also. These are opposites. But then what point I'm trying to impress upon here is that आप किसी भी चीज़ को किस नज़रिए से देखते हो, क्योंकि उसी चीज़ का एक और नज़रिया भी है ज़िंदगी में. अगर आप बोलते हो that I am probably poor, then abundance भी तो है, तभी तो आपने अपने आप को relate करके poor बोल दिया, isn't it? अगर आपने बोला कि मैं फिट नहीं हूं, क्यों? क्योंकि प्रोबेबली आपने किसी को देखा हु इज मच लीनर, मच स्ट्रॉन्गर, मच हेल्दियर, मच फिटर देन यू, एंड दैट इज वाई. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड द लॉ ऑफ रिलेटिविटी, where we say that we always and always try to relate ourselves with something, and that is how we create our thinking, right? That is how we create our thinking. So जो negative thinking आपकी आ रही है ना, वो आप अंदर अनकॉन्शियसली किसी चीज से रिलेट कर रहे हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपका बिजनेस इतना ग्रो नहीं किया इस साल क्योंकि आपने कहीं पढ़ा, सुना, देखा कि द सेम पर्सन सेम बिजनेस वाज प्रोबेबली ड्रिवन बाय समबडी हु अर्न सो एंड सो अमाउंट दैट यू कुड नॉट अर्न. ओके, या आप अपने जॉब में खुश नहीं हो, क्यों? क्योंकि आपने किसी से सुन लिया कि यार उनका तो 5 days अ वीक है, 2 days कंप्लीटली ऑफ, अनलिमिटेड हॉलीडेज, लॉट ऑफ पर्क्स एंड ऑल, and that is how you become negative. So when we start using this law now consciously for our benefit, your life will change. As of now, we are using law of relativity, but not for our benefit. It is mostly and mostly to give us a lot of despair, lot of sadness, lot of anxiety, unhappiness. Okay. So law of relativity क्या कहता है, अब आप इसे ध्यान से सुनना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं अपना एग्जाम्पल लेती हूँ. मैं यहाँ पर हूँ. ओके, आई एम दिस मच. ऑल राइट. And suppose I am earning 5 lakh rupees, because when you relate it to something which is, I would say, tangible, then people understand more. So suppose मैं 5 lakh रुपए कमा रही हूँ. I'm working really hard and I'm absolutely okay. I feel okay, all right. My days are going fine. I'm managing things well. I'm paying my bills. I'm also saving little bit, and I'm absolutely okay, all right. So this is me, and let me consider as B. Okay, now I am absolutely where the I am, and if I don't know what is A and what is C, I will always be like this. But the moment I see A, now let's see, I am B here and A is here. A छोटा है. And the moment I see somebody who's earning only 1.5 lakh rupees a month, instantly ना एक ego boost होता है. अच्छा, ये तो 1.5 लाख ही कमा रहा है. I am at least earning 5 lakh rupees. Oh, I think I am doing fine. And all of a sudden आपके negative mindset जो नहीं भी था, पर वो positive में और positive में shift हो जाता है. Okay. So now you're comparing with someone who's lower than you. Now understand. Here you are B. Here is the A. And now you see somebody or meet someone who's earning 15 lakh rupees a month. He's this big, oh my God. And the moment you talk to that person, see him and understand, and you say, I'm also putting 8 hours, he's also putting 8 hours, I'm also working hard. I mean, what is that extra that he's doing? And you are thinking all those things, but all of a sudden, the law of relativity makes us feel judgmental for that person. And many a times, if we don't train our mind, many people get into the jealousy mode. Many people start feeling negative, start feeling low, because unconsciously they are comparing their own self with that person who's already reached a C level. Right? So this is how the things happen. This is called the law of relativity. So the law of relativity says that there will always be a comparison, but it depends on you how you train your mind to look at that comparison. All right. So if you look at A, if you look at C, what should be your right thinking? If you want to use the law of relativity properly to avoid your negative state of mind to overpower you, what you should do? You should do this. If you are at B and when you see A, give lots and lots of power, encouragement to A, right? And tell that person energetically, verbally, or with all your support that how he can also come up to your level, right? This is what we should do. We should never ever think that, oh, ये तो 1.5 लाख रुपए कमा रहा है, इससे मुझे क्या benefit होगा? Why should I engage with him? Why should I, waste my time on him? It is our duty that if we see somebody and we can help that person, we must go ahead and do that, right? Even if the person is not healthy, the person is facing some challenges, please go help and be a good uplifter, be a good supporter to that person. Now, what would you do when you see a person who's C, who's already earning 15 lakh rupees, or a person who's living a very flamboyant lifestyle, a lifestyle that you really wanted in your life, right? You have to see that person and you have to take inspiration from that person. Learn to take inspiration from that person. Shift your energy and connect with that person that you are getting inspired, and not that he's your competitor, not that you are feeling jealous, not that you're feeling small when you're looking at him and you're saying, one day I will also go there. Come on, you are going to go there, but it all depends with what intention, with what energy you are talking this statement to your own self, right? So you have to consciously now train your mind that when you see somebody who's doing very well, take an inspiration from that person and tell your own self that I truly admire this person and I would also love to be like him very soon. This is called the law of relativity. And the moment you start applying this in any situation, whenever you are negative, Trust me, you will learn to come out of it. So this is all about your mindset. Now let's add a little element of spirituality in it. All right. I wouldn't know how many of you actually feel that and believe that we all are energy beings, right? But if you consider we are completely energy beings to an extent that we are 99.999% made up of energy, all right? Our physical body is just an appearance given to us so that we can differentiate us from others, right? But our inner core, our inner being, our inner soul, our inner formation, everything is energy, right? So if you learn to change your energy, you're going to change everything in this world, because there is nothing and nothing beyond that, right? So when it comes to controlling your negative feeling, your feelings firstly are part of you. The biggest mistake most of the people do in today's world is they suppress their feelings and emotions, giving them a tag that I am a super strong person. That is the biggest mistake anybody can do in this world. I have done it for so many years. I have closed myself. I have not shown my fears. I have not shown my real feelings to anybody, thinking I will be judged. I will be told that, oh, you are so weak, or I will be probably, ridiculed, demeaned, or I will be mocked by somebody. But if you start or continue doing this, you don't acknowledge your feelings, you know what is going to happen? You are going to create those big blocks, chunks of blocks, the roadblocks of fear inside you, and then they are going to operate your life, because now your energy has become absolutely fearful. It is going to reflect in every action, in every behavior, in everything you think also. And that is how you're going to slip down slow by slow, slowly into a zone where you will no more feel super confident about yourself. So our life is governed by our energy से thoughts बनते हैं और thoughts से feelings बनती हैं. 90% लाइफ हमारी फीलिंग से चलती है, थिंकिंग सिर्फ 10% काम आती है. ओके, सो आप जिंदगी में कोई भी काम क्यों करते हो? क्योंकि या तो वो काम आपको खुशी दे रहा है, या आप किसी पेन को अवॉइड करने के लिए वो काम कर रहे हो. ओके, ज़्यादातर लोग जिम क्यों जाते हैं? क्योंकि उनको ना बीमार नहीं पड़ना. लेकिन बहुत कम लोग हैं जो जिम जाते हैं बिकॉज उनको अपनी हेल्थ मेंटेन करनी है. उनको देर वॉन्ट टू बी एब्सोल्युटली फिट एंड वाइटल in their health. That is the reason. It all depends. You might say this is one or the other, same thing. अगर हेल्थ अच्छी रहेगी तो डिजीज अपने आप नहीं आएगा. बट इट डिपेंड्स what is the intention you carry when you go into the gym. अगर आप उस फियर मोड से जा रहे हो कि यार अगर मैं फिट रहूँगा तो मेरे को इशू नहीं आएंगे, इसीलिए मुझे जिम करना चाहिए, या मुझे लाइफस्टाइल अपना हेल्दी रखना ही है बिकॉज आई लव माई सेल्फ एंड दैट्स द वे आई लव टू बी लुक्ड एंड अप्रिशिएटेड, right? There is a difference. So now coming back to your feelings, if you go through any negative situation, please and please do not avoid it. Okay, don't say that oh my god I should not be thinking negative, oh my god this is okay, this is so bad. No, I'm not going to think like that. I'm a very positive person. Your feeling has come to you for a reason, and it is your feeling. It is not your neighbor's feeling, or it is not your, I would say, parents' feeling or your friend's feeling. This feeling has come to you, it has triggered something inside you, not triggered their mind, right? So it is your responsibility to make your feeling settle within you. So first and the foremost thing that you need to do is called acknowledgement. Coming back to the law of relativity, what does the law of relativity says? And I would love everybody to note down this the statement that I am giving. The law of relativity says that it is what it is. जो है सो है. अगर नेगेटिव हो तो हो, अगर पॉजिटिव हो तो हो, अगर लाइफ खराब चल रही है तो चल रही है, अगर मनी इश्यूज हैं तो हैं, अगर रिलेशनशिप ब्रेक हो रहे तो हो रहे, अगर काम नहीं जम रहा तो नहीं जम रहा. You have this challenge. It is what it is. Don't try to be someone whom you are not. So first thing is, sit down whenever you're feeling negative and calm yourself and tell your mind it is what it is. जो है सो है, it is what it is. I'm feeling negative, I'm feeling shit, I'm feeling lost, I'm feeling hopeless, I'm feeling useless, I feel I can't do anything. Fine, absolutely fine. Acknowledge it because it is what it is. Right? So first step is acknowledge it. Now, once you start acknowledging it, you are going to go to the second step, and that is now to calm yourself. Alright? जब एक छोटा बच्चा किसी चीज़ के लिए रोता है ना, तो पेरेंट्स क्या बोलते हैं? कोई बात नहीं बेटा, ठीक हो जाएगा, no problem. So what? Suppose he has lost a race or a competition. Parents always say, no, I know how you're feeling. I know. It's not good to lose sometimes, but it happens. It's okay. Same way you have to talk to yourself. You have to talk to yourself and care for your feelings like a child. And tell yourself, I know it is bad. I know the way he spoke to me was very rude. I know my family members are not taking care of me. I know I'm super stressed. I know I feel so lonely. All these feelings are yours, and you now need to caress them. You now need to take care of them. So if whatever, I know I'm not feeling well, absolutely fine. So this should be your second step, calmness. Talk to your feeling and calm it down, acknowledge and calm it down. And start breathing, a deep breathing, by now everybody knows deep breathing is so helpful, right? So start breathing, okay? So this is the second step. Now the third step is, you need to sit with yourself again, give some time. See, I'll tell you the biggest and the easiest way is just to bury it, okay? अगर कोई आपके लाइफ में नेगेटिव चीज़ है, अवॉइड करते चले जाओ, नो प्रॉब्लम. आप बोलो अरे यार अभी कौन, मतलब ठीक है ना, अब जैसे चल रहा है तो चल रहा है ना, अब क्या कर सकते हैं, बोल के आप चलते चले जाओ. बट क्या उससे आपकी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगी? माइंडसेट को ट्रेन करना पड़ता है, माइंडसेट अपने आप ट्रेन होता नहीं है. और जब तक आप कोई चीज़ अलग लाइफ में करोगे नहीं ना, आपको अलग रिजल्ट्स मिलेंगे नहीं. तब बबूल का पेड़ लगाओगे तो गुलाब तो आएंगे नहीं, राइट? कांटे ही मिलेंगे आपको. सो सेम वे आपको क्या करना है, अगर आपको अपनी जिंदगी में बाहर लानी है, गुलाब खिलाने हैं, तो यू विल हैव टू प्लांट द सीड्स ऑफ रोज, isn't it? So you'll have to start doing this, what I'm telling you. Otherwise you can ignore this talk by saying okay, she come, she spoke, okay, सुन लिया, ठीक है, देखते हैं जब टाइम मिलेगा तो करेंगे. Your choice, absolutely your choice, right? So now the third thing is, you will have to sit with yourself, acknowledge, calm yourself, and say that all right, I know I'm going through shit. I know my life is full of problems, troubles. I have nothing to look forward. Tell yourself whatever you want to tell, because your inner voice is talking to you, and it's important to listen to your inner voice and acknowledge. And then when you close your eyes, just put your hand to your heart, all right? Or else what you can do is, you can also ask yourself a question, and you can say that when I think about all my problems, so when I think of this negative issue, which part of my body feels restless? Okay, ask yourself, because that is the real place where the feeling is stored. So most of the time it is on the heart, but however it can be on stomach also. You will say that I have all of a sudden I started feeling uncomfortable on my stomach, or my hand started paining, or my head, there was a shooting pain in my head when I asked this question to myself. Your mind knows every single thing, your body knows every single thing. And the moment you ask this question, you will get a hint, you will get a hunch. Pick up that hunch without being logical, thinking अरे ऐसा थोड़ी ना होता है, ऐसे थोड़ी ना होता है कि ऐसे चीज़ें हो जाएंगी. ऐसे ही चीज़ें होंगी. Let me tell you, ऐसे ही चीज़ें होंगी. ज़िंदगी में हर चीज़ लॉजिक से नहीं चलता, राइट? ज़िंदगी में बहुत सारी चीज़ें ना दिल से चलती हैं. इनफैक्ट ज़्यादातर चीज़ें जो हैं वो आपकी फीलिंग से ही चलती हैं, राइट? So do that, and suppose you get a hunch that it's your heart. So put your hand on your heart and tell the feeling that I'm so glad that you are with me. You are here to teach me something, and that's the reason I'm feeling negative. If that person has spoken to me bad, or if I've lost that job, or if I've lost someone in my life, and I'm feeling very bad about it, because there is some lesson that needs to be taught. So I'm open to learn that lesson, and I command you that once that you taught me that lesson, please leave. This is not a woo-woo or a Pollyanna thing that I'm talking about. This is a real stuff that I'm talking about, alright? Most of the people might be thinking now, अरे नहीं यार ये सब चीज़ें ना ये नहीं हो सकती हमसे. You know why? Because आपने कभी करी नहीं है. करके देखेंगे तभी तो समझ में आएगा, right? And I will tell you with my certainty and with the amount of time I have invested till now in understanding your mindset and our own self, this is the only way. This is the only way to get rid of negativity in your life. So the third thing is sit with yourself, ask your feeling, why are you here, and tell the feeling that I am now giving you a command that please leave me once it is done. And trust me, that feeling will go away. If it does not go instantly, it will go in 1 hour, 2 hours, or maybe tomorrow. I don't know, because any negative thinking is triggered because of one reason, and till the time you don't address that issue within, it is not going to go. So one thing is you keep suppressing, right? जैसे कि कचरा दिख रहा है तो कारपेट हटाई और सारा कचरा अंदर डाल दिया और बंद कर दिया कि यार अभी तो टाइम नहीं है, बाद में देखते हैं, राइट? या कई लोगों की कबर्ड्स होती है, खोलो तो धर धर कपड़े गिर रहे हैं, देन वी से ओके ठीक है करेंगे. एक तो तरीका वो भी है. और फिर जब आपको कपड़े निकालने होते हैं, यू ऑलवेज हैव टू हार्डली जगल थ्रू इट एंड देन फाइंड इट, राइट? और द सेकेंड वे इज दैट यू कीप इट प्रॉपर, नो, and you take out that all that kura that you have, and then put it in the bin every single day so that you don't accumulate, so don't you feel embarrassed somebody comes and opens or just lifts the carpet and see that, oh my god, there's so much of garbage inside, right? So just to avoid that garbage in your mind and in your body, because you are not here to suffer, you are here to live your life comfortably, and you can easily do that. So do that. So this is the number 3 step that I wanted to enforce. First is acknowledge, second calm it down, and third sit with your feelings and give it a command. And your each and every word is super powerful, let me tell you. Whatever you tell your own self, it is always and always taken as seriously as the genie would take your wishes. Remember the genie when you have a lamp, and when you rub the lamp and the genie appears and say your wish is my command. It's the same way. Whatever you are thinking, whatever you are telling yourself, it is your duty of your mind and body to obey you. Okay? So when you give a command that leave, it is going to leave. It is going to leave, because it has no other personal hidden agenda to trouble you. Trust me. So this is how you're going to process your negative thinking. It is what it is. Always and always remember, सबसे अच्छा और सबसे सस्ता तरीका, if you don't want to go to psychiatrist, or if you don't want to visit all those other people and say that, oh, I've been very depressed, I've been thinking very negatively, nothing looks good, I feel so demotivated, don't have to go anywhere. Just learn to accept saying it is what it is. But yes, after that you also learn to take action, right? That we're going to talk in our next video, and when I come live again, I'm going to talk about it. As of now, this is what it is. It is what it is. Acknowledge, calm yourself, and sit with your feelings and address your feelings and let it go. Okay? So these are the 3 things which I wanted to talk to you about, how to handle your negative thinking. I'm certain my talk must have given something to you or opened up something in you. In case you have any questions, I'll be here for next 1 or 2 minutes. You can address. Also, you can follow me on my Instagram, because there are lots and lots of great tips that I share every day with my audience. And I do have a channel also, Mindset Power Shot. You can subscribe to that also. And let me know if I can help you in any other way. You can write to me and I'm going to get back to you. Thank you so much. I'll be here for next 1 or 2 minutes if anybody wants to shoot a question. And then I'm going to end the session with a certainty that we are meeting soon again with another topic. See you soon then. Bye bye, and thank you so much. God bless you and a super weekend ahead.